What is up, guys? Welcome to a new video on the channel. This video is all about the Mercedes CLS and about another message that we got saying that the dead corner assistant doesn't work. It's probably a software connected, but we have to find a solution for it. I will show the error message now. I went to the garage of a friend of mine, and he works with a dealer of Mercedes, and he put his computer on the OBD port and reset all the errors, but the error came back. So now we have to try to disconnect the battery, putting it off, putting all the power off for, let's say, 5 minutes. It's a hard reset of the software, and then start it up again, and we will see if it will work. Stay tuned. So, to disconnect the battery, we have to unlock these clamps here. 1, 2, and then there is some third one, I believe, but I will look it up and get it up. Here is the third one. These 3 clamps have to unlock, and then we can remove the cover and unscrew the contacts of the battery. That's what we are going to do now. So the clamps are unlocked, and now we can take off the cover like so. And here is the battery. Last time when I disconnected it, the alarm went off. This time I put the contact key in the slot. I hope the alarm will not go off when I take off the clamps. Stay tuned for that. It is a 10. And the alarm and the alarm does not go off. That's a plus. And the time is running. 2 minutes, 3 to go. So it is more than 5 minutes now. Now we can reconnect the battery and see what happens. So now we will go inside the car, we will start the motor and we will see if the error message will return or not. Fingers crossed. So there is a small chance that this will work, but it is a small chance. So we will try to start it and see what will come up here. And there it is again. So it doesn't work. It didn't work. So we will have to go to the dealer to do a software update, and hopefully they can fix it that way. So that is it for today, guys. And as you can see, it didn't work. Hopefully the dealer can help us with that, and stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, do the same. Consider subscribing, that will help us a lot here. And find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And I will see you hopefully in the next one. Peace.